Hello, and let's jump into the tutorial. First of all, you need to access the settings, okay? If you don't know where the setting app is, scroll down the control panel and you'll see this tiny logo of like a bolt or nut. I don't know what is that. Just press that and just scroll down, okay? If you don't know, just scroll down. There's the option of split screen under the game space, okay? If you don't know, if you can't find the split screen option, you just need to go to the search bar and type split screen. Here, just go to search it and you will like have this option. Like, see, there's a split screen option. Just press any one of them. See, you have to enable the split screen option first if it's not enabled, okay? And once it's enabled, you can just go back, turn on any app that supports the split screen option or split screen function. And how to access this, how to turn on or how to use this split screen option. First of all, you just need to scroll up, just 3 fingers scroll up from the bottom, and here it will turn on the split screen. See that? And this is like the window of the setting. And for example, I want to access this. You can adjust the apps by adjusting this window that connects both apps, okay? And if you want to end this application or the split screen feature, if you are bored with it, just take the window and press on the window of press the border and just split down or split up. Anything will work. Another way of enabling the split screen, go to the, once you have to open the app, okay, any app would work, and then go to the recent option. You'll see there are 2 dots appearing on the upper right section of the recent screen. So you have to press that, and there's a split screen option also appears in this very tiny window. So you're gonna just need to enable that.